L lam, M Meem, N noon. Wow, 3 easy letters. Hello everyone, Saif here and a new video with Arabic with Saif. In the previous lessons, we have covered 22 letters in Arabic alphabet. Today, with 3 more easy letters. Are you ready? Let's go. First letter and number 23 in Arabic alphabet is letter Lam. 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 Now, let's handwrite its form. Just draw a stick on top of the line and attach it with this curved tail. It's pronounced just like the English letter L. Easy letter because has direct equivalent sound with English, same sound of letter L in the English word luck. Repeat after me. Lam, lam, lam. L. Second letter and number 24 in Arabic alphabet is letter Meem. 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 Let's see first how to handwrite it. It's basically a small circle on top of the line. Attach it with a stick dips beneath the line. Very easy letter as well because it has counterpart sound in English, which is letter M. Same letter M sound in the English word make. Repeat after me. Meem. 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 M. Moving to last letter today, and number 25 is letter Noon. 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 Let's see how to write it. Draw a small dip circle underneath the line and a dot on top. This also is an easy one because it's compared with letter N in English. Same sound of letter N in the word nice. Repeat after me. Noon. 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 N. Now let's practice how to say some words. Qaf, lam, ba. Qaf, lam, ba. qa, la, ba. qa, la, ba. qalab, qalab, qalab. Another word. Alif, Meem, lam. ألف ميم لام أ ما لا أ ما لا أمل أمل أمل. Okay, here we have reached to the end of this lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Don't forget to subscribe, check out my videos for more, and there is a subscribe button. Perhaps you can see me every day. Alright, get you guys next lesson. Salam.